Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to Crypto Space, and in today's video we are going to cover a Chainlink. Alright, but before we are going to start, let's quickly have a look at a crypto bubble. So as you can see over here, we are pretty much coming back to green zone on a crypto after pretty much this event, but I'm going to chat about it in a second. Okay, we got Beam, and Beam is the biggest winner for today, up 42%, and most of the cryptos. On the weekly, obviously we do know what already happened, and if we are going to look at monthly, no reasons to be worried about this quick this quick dump. All right, and let's have a look quickly over here at the Fear and Greed index. We are currently sitting at 68 greed, and yesterday was 70, last week 73, and for the last month 75. So obviously market was already heat up, and we received this type of a news: a SEC will reject all Bitcoin spot ETF in January, says a Matrix Sport analyst. Obviously that's something that you probably guys saw elsewhere, but that, in my personal opinion, it was just a shakeout, because there were $400 million worth of longs in the market. So obviously that was too beautiful to be true. Everyone was betting on the price of BTC going higher, and that pretty much was easy to manipulate by whales and big institutions. Remember guys that, you know, banks, big institutions don't really want us to make money in crypto. That's why we do have to be calm before the storm. As you can see over here, we have dipped on Bitcoin and we got supported by this wedge, so we are pretty much going back. All right, and now if you are going to see over here, these news are from today. Issuers have fixed 3 of the 6 remaining concerns for spot Bitcoin ETF sources. So now suddenly they have fixed these issues that SEC saw yesterday. That's pretty much, to me at least, that is a manipulation, but obviously not a financial advice. All right, and guys, let's move to a link. Okay, so I would like to show you a bit of an article about Chainlink's price prediction 2024-2032. So it is a little bit of a longer run for Chainlink. However, have a look over here. Their bull case scenario is 564, and currently we are trading at $14.36 with a market cap of $7 billion, 988 million, so almost pretty much $8 billion, with a trading volume of $637 million. As you can see over here, in the last 30 days, okay, last 30 days, never mind. All right, and let's have a look at 7 days. We are pretty much going sideways, and we have retraced from that Bitcoin dump yesterday. Of course, I'm mentioning about Bitcoin because it all really matters on what Bitcoin is going to do. The rest of cryptocurrencies are going to respond positively or negatively. All right, and okay, so let's first of all have a look at what Chainlink is doing over here in the background. As you can see guys, these were all-time highs in the previous bull market in May 2021. We reached price of $49. However, according to these statistics on DeFi Llama, as you can see over here, we haven't been generating anything, right? And we started generating fees. Total value locked went huge up, and revenue as well. If I'm going to zoom in, you see that guys, all of these spikes are basically indicating one thing to me: huge price spike in the future. Of course, the price already responded, but that is just the beginning in my humble opinion. Okay, then so let's have a look. First of all, why these prices are so bullish, right? So let's first of all understand what actually is Chainlink. As you can see over here, Chainlink is a blockchain project designed to connect different networks and protocols together through oracles. Oracles are networking tools to allow cross-network communication. The project's goal is to provide support for all blockchains, facilitating data movement globally between blockchains. So in my understanding, Chainlink is pretty much like a Google for crypto. However, Rome haven't been built in a day or two, and the fundamentals of that project are obviously very bullish to me, and not only to me, because as you can see over here, these predictions are pretty much similar to analysts. Okay, then let's have a look over here on on the links price, let's have a look first of all on the weekly what we are doing. As you can see over here, we have pretty much rallying up on a weekly time frame for Chainlink ever since September last year. Happy New Year everybody, by the way. And we saw a pump of already 1.4x, right? However, we could possibly revisit this line of support due to, you know, a bit of a sell-off of Bitcoin. And as you can see over here on a weekly time frame, we are still quite high up in RSI, around 62. So as you can see also over here on RSI, when we were at that level of 81, we've pretty much touched that as well, and Chainlink is pretty much responding, respecting that that RSI, and we could potentially revisit that resistance. Not a financial advice, of course. Okay, then so let's have a look on the daily. As we can see over here, things are looking bullish. And why do I think that? As you can see over here, if I'm going to draw a trend line, we had a huge spike in terms of Chainlink's price, and ever since then we are pretty much forming higher highs to the upside. And of course we had a bit of a flash crash because of the negative Bitcoin news. Well, technically negative. This isn't necessarily said that we are not going to get spot Bitcoin ETF in January, because who are the matrix ports analytics, first of all, and second, even if we are not going to get that ETF in January, we will probably in March, right? That is inevitable. So, well, in my personal opinion, of course. Okay, so let's have a look back in Chainlink. As you can see over here, if I'm going to zoom out let's go to the smaller time frame. As you can see over here, we are pretty much getting sideways on the smaller time frame, on a 4-hourly time frame, and we have pretty much touched the bottom if it comes to RSI, leveling at 28, and we have bounced back, so that is very positive for Chainlink. However, that doesn't mean that we are not going to revisit that support, because that obviously happened after this major rally on 4-hourly time frame. All right, then guys, in my opinion, I am very bullish long term for Chainlink. That is definitely time to accumulate, especially considering where we are currently in the cycle. So as you can see over here, we are in a green territory, still accumulation zone, so there is nothing to be worried about, and I am going to accumulate some Chainlink if I will have opportunity. Alright then, okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed that quick Chainlink update. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be updating in terms of Chainlink and other cryptocurrencies. Okay then, thank you very much. Peace and love, crypto.